In today's video we've got a pneumatic Hetty, 580 watt. This has sucked up some what looks to be watery, sandy type. So the first thing what we're going to do is, although I've got another filter on order for it, just going to give this one a clean down and see if we can actually get it cleaned down. Just going to start by putting it in this bag and then beating 7 shades into it. Whilst I'm doing that, I'm also going to get rid of some of the big clumps as well. Yeah, this filter is pretty bad, but we'll see if we can get it cleaned. But like I said, there's another one on its way, so I won't be using this one because I can't imagine it's going to smell too nice afterwards either. So I'm just using a flat-headed screwdriver and a wire brush just to get the majority of the nasties off this filter, because it looks like there's dust, hair, sand, and I think when it sucked up the water, yeah, it's just turned that into one big solid mess. So just going to use a screwdriver to break it up, keep beating it, and hopefully get it cleaner. Obviously, as you can see, it's already made a little bit of a difference, so we'll just see. So I've taken a couple of pictures of what the inside of the Hetty looked like before. As you can see, it sucked up a fair amount of water, and that's when I cleaned it out I realised it was sand. I thought it was something else, but no, it was just sand. So back to tearing the filter back down and giving that a good clean. Okay, as you can see, I got the majority of it off, but there's obviously still bits stuck in there. I'd have to be beating it all day and twice on Sunday, so just gonna get as much of that off as I can. I'll probably do that off camera, give it a quick test, and that should be it until the new filter arrives. Put the new filter in and she should be good to go again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.